Filling the blanks 4.3. The compound interest on 5,000 at 12% per annum for 2 years. Now here given in the P value equal to 5,000, rate of interest R value equal to 12%, number of years N equal to 2 years. Compounded annually. Annual for what is the formula? Annual for formula equal to A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. So use this formula, substitute that given value and find the answer. So A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N is the formula. A equal to P value equal to 5,000. 5,000, start the bracket, 1 plus R value equal to rate of interest R equal to 12. So R equal to 12 divided by 100 whole power N. N equal to what is the year is there given? 2 years. 5,000. Do in the cross multiplication. 100 is 100. 100 is 100. Symbol is plus 12 whole squared. 5,000 into 100 plus 12 equal to 112 divided by 100 whole squared. 5,000 into 112 by 100, write in 2 times. 112 by 100 into 112 divided by 100. Cut in the 0. 1, 2, 3, 0 first. Use in that fifth table. 1, 5 is 5. 2, 5s are 10. 1, 2 is 2. 5, 2s are 10. Remaining 1, 6, 2s are 12. So 56 into 112. Multiply and get the answer equal to 112 into divided multiple by 56. 6, 2s are 12. Remaining 1. 1666, 6 plus 1 is 7, 166. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1, 1 5 is 5, 6, 1 5 is 5. 2, 7, 2, 6. So, A value equal to 6272. CA equal to formula A minus P. A value equal to what is the value? 6272 minus P value equal to 5000. Minus and get it the answer equal to 1272 is the answer. So first filling the blanks, answer is what is the answer? Rupees 1272. Next question. The compound interest at 10% per annum for 1 year compounded half yearly. Half yearly for what is the formula? A equal to P into 1 plus R by 200 whole power 2n. This is the formula. This formula use and substitute that value. Now P value equal to what is the value there? The compounded interest at 10%. Here 8,000. Okay, now P value equal to 8,000. Start the bracket. 1 plus R rate of interest R equal to 10%. 10 only write divided by 200 whole power 2 into N value equal to number of year is 1. 8,000. Do in the cross multiplication. Here 0 0 also strike out. 20 is balance. 120 is 20. 120 is 20 plus 1 whole power 2 into 1 equal to 2. 8,000. 20 plus 1 equal to 21 by 20 whole square. 8,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. 0 0 0 0. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 40. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, x are 0. 20 into 21 into 21. 20 into 21 into 21 equal to 441. 441. Multiple the number. First 0 you write, 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. This is the, what is the value? A value. Ci equal to formula A minus P. A value equal to 8820 minus A value equal to 8000. Minus and get it, the answer equal to 820. Second filling the blanks, answer is rupees 820 rupees. Third sum, the annual rate of growth in population of a town is 10%. If its present population is 26,620, then the population 3 years ago was. So what is the given there? Find there. They are given in the rate of interest are equal to 10%. Present population A is equal to 26,620 peoples. So first the 3 years before, what is there have done? So P equal to X. Number of years N equal to 3. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N is the formula. A value equal to 26,620 is equal to P value equal to X. Start the bracket 1 plus R by 100. R value equal to 10%, 10 by 100, 0, 0 you strike out. Whole power 3. 26,620 is equal to X into, here not have the number for by 1, do in the cross multiplication. 110 is 10, 110 is 10, in between symbol is plus, 1 is 1. 10 plus 1 equal to 11 by 10 whole power 3. Now 26,620 is equal to X into 11, 11 into 11 into 11 divided by 10 into 10 into 10. Now equal to, before they are going for into, change into the division. So this fraction write in the reciprocal. 10 into 10 into 10 you write in the numerator. 11 into 11 into 11 you write in the denominator. Cancel the number, get it, the answer equal to 20,000. So after 3 years the population is P equal to, before P value equal to 20,000. Now 3 years after the population is 26,620. Now at present, now 3 years before the population is equal to 20,000. So third question answer is, what is the answer? 20,000. If the compound interest is calculated quarterly, the amount is found using the formula. So quarterly for formula compound interest, A equal to P into 1 plus R by 400 whole power 4n. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 400 whole power 4n. The difference between CI and SI for 2 years for the principal of 5,000 are at the rate of interest 8% per annum is dash. CI and CI, difference between CI SI is equal to P into R by 100 whole square is the formula. P value equal to 5,000. Rate of interest R equal to 8%, 8 by 100 whole square. 8% meaning is 8 by 100. Formula already they are having 100, so write it one time is enough there. 5,000 into 8 by 100 into 8 by 100. Cancel the number, get it, the answer equal to rupees 32. 3 0 for 1 2 3 you cut it. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. 32 rupees. So fifth question answer is 32 rupees. Next, true or false? Depreciation value is calculated by the formula depreciation for minus symbol, appreciation for plus symbol. So common interest formula P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power n. This is true. Given the formula depreciation for have the symbol is minus, formula p into 1 minus r by 100 whole power n is correct. So given this statement is correct, true, you write. Next question, if the present population of a city p and its increase at the rate of interest r percentage per annum, then the population n years ago would be p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. See there, p equal to x into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. X there written that this full value write in divided by b by p by 1 plus r by 100 whole power n is correct. So given the value is, what is the value? P into 1 plus r by 100 is there given. So p by 1 plus r by 100 whole power n is correct. Here given in the statement is p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. So given the statement is wrong, false. The present value of a machine is 16,800 rupees. It depreciate at 25% per annum. Its worth after 2 years is 9,450. So given this answer is come or not, check, after only write it true or false. See here, depreciation for what is the formula? A equal to p into 1 minus r by 100 whole power n. P value is there given in the machine value 16,800. That bracket in between symbol is what symbol? Into, start the bracket, 1 minus r value equal to 25 by 100 whole square. 125 is 25, 425 is 100. 1 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Do in the cross multiplication. 1 4 is 4. 1 4 is 4, 1 1 is 1, in between symbol is minus. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 by 4 whole square. So 16,800 into 3 by 4, write it 2 times. Cancel and get it, the answer equal to 9,450. Question from there given in the answer also, what is there given? 9,450. Two answer also correct, true. The time taken for 1000 to becomes 1,331 rupees at 20% per annum compounded annually in 3 years. So answer is 3 years, come or not, check. P value equal to 1000, R value equal to 20,000, A equal to 1,331. This value substitute the formula, find the n values must want to come in 3 years. Come means correct, otherwise false. 1,331 equal to 1000 into 1 plus 20 by 100 whole power n. Now write it the 1000 down. 1 do in the cross multiplication, get it the answer equal to 6 by 5 whole power n. Here 1,331, 11 into 11 into 11 divided by 10 into 10 into 10. So 11, 3 11s are you multiple and get it the answer also 1,331. So you write it 11 by 10 whole cube. See here, fraction number is 11 by 10. Here fraction number is 6 by 5. 2 also different. So definitely their power also wrong only. So here base is correctly the arguments, power equal to write in directly. So different base for n not equal to 3, given the sum is false. Book 2 they are given in n equal to 3 years is the have. So here come the base for the different base, 11 by 10, 6 by 5 by 6 by 5. So n not equal to 3, answer also false. Next, the compound interest on 16,000 for 9 months at 20% per annum compounded quarterly to 2,522 is come the answer or not, check that. P value equal to 16,000. N equal to 9 months. These 9 months convert into the years. 1 year equal to 12 months. So n equal to 9 by 12. So give the month equal to 9. That is convert into the year for divided by 12. Cancel and get the answer equal to 3 by 4 years. Now n value equal to 3 by 4 years. Given the rate of interest equal to what is there given? 20%. Quarterly formula, A equal to P into 1 plus R by 400 whole power power 4 into n. 4n meaning is 4 into n. So 4000 p value equal to 16,000. Start the bracket 1 plus 20 by 400. Close the bracket power. Already their formula to have in the 4 into n value equal to 3 by 4. 4 cancel, remaining is 3. Now 120 is 20. 20 20s are 400. Strike out the number. 16,000. You start the bracket 1 plus 1 by 20. Denominator different, take in the LCM. Do in the cross multiplication. 120 is 20, 120 is 20, 1 is 1. 20 plus 1 equal to 21 by 20 whole power 3. 16,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Cancel and get it. The answer equal to 18,522 is the amount value. This is what is the value? Amount. A value equal to this value. Compound interest A minus B is equal to A minus P. A value equal to 18,522 minus 16,000. So get it, the answer is 2,522. So this answer and book to the give the answer also same answer. Give the some statements also true is correct answer there. Objective type question. The number of conversion periods in a year. If the interest on the principal is compounded, every 2 months is dash. So conversion period of the year, 1 year equal to 12 months. So they are given in the every 2 months for divided by 2, 12 by 2 equal to 6. Answer 12 by 2 equal to 6 2s are 12 is the answer. Next question. The time taken for 4,400 rupees to become 4,851 rupees at 10% compounded half yearly is dash. Compounded half yearly for what is the formula? A equal to P into 1 plus R by 200 whole power 2n is the half yearly for formula equal to half yearly. For formula equal to this formula. A value equal to 4,851 is given the question is equal to 4,000. P value equal to 4,400. A value equal to 4,851. Start the bracket 1 plus 10% for 10 by formula for the having the 200 whole power 2n. 0 0 strike out there. 4,851 divided by 4,400 is equal to this 4,000 by you write 1 plus 1 by 20 whole power 2n. Now see there, this number how to I divide? 11 into 441. These two number multiply and get the answer is 4,851. Down have the number 11 into 400. 11 cancel, remaining is what is the answer? 4,441 divided by 400 is equal to, here do in the cross multiplication for 21 plus 20 equal to 21 by 20 whole power 2n. 21 into 21, get it, the answer equal to 441. 20 into 20 equal to 400. 21 by 20 whole power 2n. Now 21, how many times is there? Have 2 times. So 21 by 20 whole square equal to 21 by 20 2n. 2n equal to 2. 2n. So now 2 also same fraction. So up and only the power number only you select that. 2n is equal to 2. N equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1 year. Now second question for answer is, what is the answer is there coming there? 1 year. Time taken for 4,400 to become 4,851 at 10% compounded half yearly for answer is 1 year. Next question. The cost of a machine equal to 18,000 and it's depreciate they are given for depreciate formula only want to use there. 16 2 by 3% annually, its value after 2 years will be dash. See here, A equal to depreciation formula equal to A equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power n. Principal amount equal to 18,000. start the bracket 1 minus. Now given in the fraction is, what is the fraction is there given as 16 2 by 3. 16 3s are 48. 48 plus 2 equal to 50 by 3 percentage. For how to I am writing, see there 50 writing up divided by 3 into 100, right, whole power 2. 150 is 50, 250s are 100. 1 minus 1 by 3 2s are 6 whole square. Now 18,000, start the bracket by 1, do in the cross multiplication. 166 dash 166, in between symbol is minus, 1 1 is 1, 6 minus 1 equal to 5 by 6 whole square. 18,000 into 5 by 6 whole square. 18,000 into 5 by 6 write in 2 times, strike out and get the answer equal to 1 lakh 25,000 is the answer. Sorry, 20 only. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Extra have the 0 is, how many 0 is there? Have 20. Answer equal to, what is the answer? 12,500 is the answer. Here B is the correct answer, 12,500. Next, 14th question. The sum which amount to 2,662 at 10% per annum in 3 years compounded yearly is dash. See that A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. A value is there given, P value only want to find there. 14th question, for they are given in the amount value, find in the P value only want to find there. So write it the formula. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. 2,662 is equal to P into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole power cube. So cancel, for 110 is 10, 10 tens are 100, 1 plus 1 by 10 whole cube. 2,662 is equal to P into, do in the cross multiplication, get it, the answer is 10 by 11 by 10 whole cube. So 2,662 equal to P into this number, write in 3 times. So down number write in numerator. So 2,662 into 10 into 10 into 10 divided by 11 into 11 into 11 is equal to P. So cancel and get it, the answer equal to P value equal to 2000 is the answer. Now that 14th question, for answer is 2000. A is the correct answer. The difference between the compound and simple interest is certain sum of money for 2 years at 2% per annum, rupees is 1. The sum of the money is dash. What is there given? What there find? Now CI and SI difference between, for what is the value? This is the CI minus SI value. CI minus SI value. Difference between the compound interest and simple interest value equal to 1. Rate of interest equal to R percentage, 2%, year equal to 2 years. Use in the difference between simple interest and compound interest formula equal to P into R by 100 whole square. CI and SI value equal to 1 rupee is equal to P into 2 by 100 whole square. Now 1 equal to 2 by 100 write in 2 times. Now down number you write in up there. So 1 into 100 numerator divided by 2 into 2 write in the denominator. 1 2 is to 52 are 100, 1 2 is to 52 are 100 is equal to P. Multiply and get the answer equal to 2500. Now this sum for answer is 2500 is the answer. D is the option is correct.